Value Stream Analysis. This feature is your key to uncovering and minimizing non-value adding processes and inventory, streamlining operations, and reducing lead times. We can utilize this function in visTABLE logix. It acts as an extended view into the process chains in logix. Open visTABLE logix and navigate to the lead time button on the bottom right. Now we need to choose which process chain we want to analyze. For this, we just highlight each store. A throughput time curve will appear below, however, we still need to enter some data for this. Begin by inputting data for the value-adding processes, especially focusing on the production cycle times. The setup time can also be indicated, however, will not be included in the calculation. Next, we need to enter the inventory counts. For this, we need to transform the production processes into storage processes by clicking the Convert function. It will indicate the switch with the triangle in the background of the store. Now we can enter the inventory amounts on the right-hand side. However, these are not the only inventory counts, as there are usually also some amounts between the production process steps. Luckily, we do not need additional storage processes for this. We can add these values simply by highlighting the transport connection arrows and entering the amounts here. Now we can calculate the lead time. For this, there are two different methods, the takt time method and the cycle time method. Let's start with the takt time method. For this, we need to enter a takt time of the overall system. It's basically the rate at which each unit must be completed to meet the desired output quantity. This is calculated by dividing the available output time by the desired unity quantity the customer demands. Since the units follow the FIFO principle, first in, first out, we can now calculate the waiting time of the units with the takt time. We now see that the 35 units in our store out have a total waiting time of about 1 hour. Alternatively, the cycle method doesn't have a takt time for the overall output system. It calculates wait times based on the cycle time of subsequent processes. In our example, the store out process has no follow-up process, so there are no waiting times here, which leads to a shorter overall throughput time. Something to mention is that when reducing circulating inventories, the transport connection arrows can have a warning signal. This is because the parts per container needs to be adjusted accordingly. But be aware when reducing these, it will result in increased transport effort.